All right. So today, 3G.1, and probably my plan would be to do 3G.2 after recess. You're going to find this pretty easy, I reckon. In the past, kids always find this pretty easy. We're talking about graphs of circles, all right? And so here's the rule. We have x take a squared plus y take b squared is equal to r squared. This is the equation of a circle. All circles have this equation, where the center of the circle, the point right in the middle of the circle, has coordinates a, b, and the radius is equal to r. All right, so over here we have the radius squared. So, firstly, find the equation of a circle with center x is 2, y is minus 5, and radius 3. All we're doing is substituting in, there's a, that's the value of b, we're putting them into this equation. So it's going to be x take 2 squared. So we've got x take the x value of the center, plus y take the y value of the center. Now we must consider here, the y value of the center is negative 5. So it's y take minus 5 squared. All right, and then that's equal to the radius squared. All right, and so we'll just simplify it. We've got x take 2 squared plus y take minus 5 is y plus 5. And we can evaluate that to 9, or if you prefer, you can leave it as 3 squared. Either of those is fine. Okay, so what did we do? We took the 2, that's the x value of the center, we put it where the a is. We took the minus 5, that's the y value of the center, we put it where the b is, and we put the 3 where the r is, and that's our statement. Okay, done, full marks. Question 2, hence graph it on the Cartesian plane. So here's the second part for us. So we're going to graph a circle. It's got the center 2 minus 5. So that means on our Cartesian plane, the center is at x is 2, y is minus 5. So that's the center, right? And it has a radius of 3. So this is how I do it. I plot the center, and then I go 3 units up, down, and 3 units left, right. So radius is 3, so 3 units up is going to be here, 3 units down is going to be here, 3 units left, there, 3 units right, there, and then I'm just going to connect them to make a circle. All right, you'll have it on grid so it'll look much better, and you'll have the scale correct. So this point here, x is 2, y is minus 5. And then if you're going up 3 units, that's going to be at y is minus 2. If you're going down 3 units, that's going to be y is minus 8. All right, I'll give you a moment to draw them. All right, so we'll move on. If you're not finished, you can finish having a bit of a sketch of it in a moment. Let's have a look up here. So the 2 ways we present it. One might be find the equation and then graph it. Another might be, here's the graph, what's the equation? So we're going to say, well, what's the coordinates of the center point? That's the first thing, and we're just going to write them. The center here of this circle is x is 2, y is 0. X is 2, y is 0. That's the circle we're presented with. And we'll make a statement about the radius. What's the radius? 4, thank you. We can get the radius by counting from the center to any edge, all right? we can see it's 4 units up, it's 4 units down, it's 4 units right, and it's 4 units left. The radius is 4. R equals 4. Okay, you can get that just from counting the squares. So then let's make a statement about the equation. All right, remember, it is x take the x value of the center. What is the x value of the center? 2. X take 2 squared plus y take the y value of the center, 0 squared, equals the radius squared. All right, and y take 0 squared is just y squared. All right, y take away 0 is the same as y. Very good. So that's enough to get started on 3G.1. That's what I'd like us to absolutely shred in this first half of the lesson. So let's do it.